Hi, grade 10s. Today we're going to do a lesson on using metric units for capacity. You have a correction on your handout, or you should, but if you don't, or even if you do, I'm going to draw your attention to it. This should be crossed off right here. The correct number is 0.001 liters. There's 2 zeros after the decimal. All that being said, I would really strongly encourage you to use the staircase. And I have obviously included the staircase on my lesson. Unfortunately, the staircase is not on your lesson. So what you may want to do is pause this lesson so that you could copy down that staircase, because I think the staircase is going to make our lives a lot easier when we do any of these conversions, just like it did when we dealt with conversions relating to metric distances. So I'm even going to go ahead and I'm going to see about copying this thing. And then, so we're going to use that staircase to help us answer these questions as well. So let's take a look here. The first question is, a can of juice contains 355 milliliters of juice. A case of 24 cans. How many liters of juice is there? So first of all, we have to find the total volume in milliliters. And we're going to do that by taking the number of cans and multiplying it by the volume of each individual can. And when we take 24 and we multiply it by 355, we get 8,520 mLs or milliliters. Now, how many liters of juice is there? Well, we're going from mLs and we want to end up at liters. So we're going up 1, 2, 3 stairs. So we're going up, so that means we're going to be dividing by 10 each time. So we're going to take 8,520 and we're going to divide it by, now 10 3 times would be 1,000. And just as a reminder, where we get that from is there's 3 zeros in 1,000 that correspond to the 3 steps that we went up. So 8,520 divided by 1,000 is going to give us 8.52 liters. So in a case of juice, there would be 8.52 liters of juice. Okay? And we have one last question to do here. An eyeglass store has a deciliter of contact lens solution, and they give out 80 mils to every new customers. How many people are given contact lens solution before they need to get another container solution? So what we need to do is we need to take a look at the two different units in this question. We have deciliters and we have milliliters. We need those both to be the same. And it's always easier to take the stuff that's in the bigger units and turn it into what's in the smaller units. So take a deciliter and turn it into milliliters. So we have deciliters. Oops. Let me try to redo that. Okay, we should be good to go now. We are going to go from a deciliter, which is right here. That's DAL. We're going to go down to milliliters, which is way down here. And that means we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So we have 1 deciliter. And because we're going down, we're going to multiply. 4 steps means 4 zeros. So we're going to multiply by 10,000, which has 4 zeros in it. So 1 times 10,000 is going to be 10,000 mLs. Now, from that pool of 10,000 mLs, we know that every customer is going to get 80 mLs. So how many customers can get their eyeglass solution? Well, all we need to do here is take the 10,000 divided by 80. And when we divide 10,000 by 80, we're going to get 125 people. That's how many people that they can give lens solution to before they're going to need to bring out that next jug. Okay? So the staircase is critical. Make sure you have it drawn out. Make sure you have it handy when you do these questions. And also, as always, ask for help if you need it.